Hi everyone, welcome to Imaging Study. Today we are going to see a case of tongue hemangioma. A 16-year-old male patient came with a gradually increasing bluish tongue swelling at the ventral aspect of the left lateral mid-tongue. Let's see what we have got on ultrasound. Here with high-frequency ultrasound, you can see an oval lobulated mass within the ventral aspect of the left lateral mid-tongue. This is a hypoechoic mass and it's slightly compressible. And during compression, on grayscale, you can see something moving within this lesion. You can see some striated-like pattern. The moving particles with this striated pattern indicates it being consist of some venous channels. Here's a color Doppler picture. You can see some peripheral and central vascularity also. You can see the feeding artery. And while compression, there's some flow within these venous channels. So it contains both arterial and venous flows within. Here's the measurement. You can see the lesion measures around 13 by 8 mm. The surrounding tissue architecture looks quite normal. Here's the feeding artery supplying the lesion. It arises from adjacent tongue arteries. We have took spectral Doppler from this feeding vessel showing a moderate resistant flow. Here's another color Doppler picture and you can see it doesn't show any vascularity within right now, skipping the main feeding artery. But here on compression, you can see prominent flow within these venous channels. So this happens because of the non-spontaneous flow within these venous channels. So when you compress it, you can see the venous flow quite well. So in summary, an oval hypoechoic area is noted at the ventral aspect of the left lateral mid-tongue with internal prominent venous channels. Color Doppler shows internal mild vascularity of both arterial and venous origins from adjacent tongue vessels. We could see flow within these venous channels on compression. Surrounding tongue parenchyma appears uniform. So these features conclude it as a case of tongue vascular malformation, possibly a hemangioma. Now the take-home message. Compressing a vascular malformation may demonstrate venous flow easily as they have commonly got a non-spontaneous flow. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and visit imagingstudy.com for more cases. See you on the next one. Have a nice day.